So here we are in Keywords on Fire, a super powerful keyword research tool that brings in all the relevant and impactful keywords that you're going to need to take advantage of the Amazon algorithm and make sure that you're highly optimized for Rufus AI as well. So in this session, I've used 25 of the top selling products in the Instapot market to build this keyword list. We currently have 500 keywords in here, which is far too many to work with. So what we're going to do is narrow this list down so that they're relevant and impactful and get picked up by Rufus AI as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is use quick filters here. I can potentially go non-branded, brings us down to 200, and then maybe go relevant as well. It's dropped out a couple more. At the end of the day, it's up to you. You're going to know your product much better than I do to decide which keywords are best for you. The next thing you want to do is check out the SEO analysis tab and have a look at how your competitors are doing. So I can see here the competition strength, some of them are good, some of them are average. We're going to have some okay products as well. And you can see where they're strong. How much of the total search volume of those keywords have they captured? What is their keyword strength? So I can know where we can really expose their weaknesses and take sales away from them. The other great thing about Keywords in Fire is with this keyword view, we can see directly what the organic rankings are of both our competitors and our listings as well. So for example, if this was our competition, this black Instant Pot Rio here, we can see their organic rankings are really, really strong. Position 3, position 2, position 3, they're right up on page 1 for a lot of these important keywords. For example, if this was my listing and I'm position 40, I'm not ranked at all, 27, 23, I've got some work to do here. Is a really strong view that gives you insight into where you're organically ranking, where your competitors are organically ranking, and where you can potentially take advantage. Now let's jump into Listing Optimizer and we'll see how to make sure that our listings are as optimized as possible for Rufus AI. Okay, so here we are in Listing Optimizer, now enhanced with Rufus AI. So what we're looking at here is on the left-hand side, we have all the keywords we've brought in from that previous step in Keywords on Fire. It brings in the ZG score, the search volume, all the important metrics you need to get those keywords into your listing in the right spots. Most importantly, we're looking at this optimization score. So if this is my product, my current optimization score is 10,700 approximately. Our competition, 12,900. Our other competitor, 8,400. Now, what I've also done is brought in a Rufus AI enhanced optimized listing. And I've used an AI generation to do this. So this took me less than 60 seconds and my optimization score is already at 20,700. Now, most importantly, if we have a look at these bullet points here, we can see it's talking about safety, it's talking about generous 6-core capacity, it's talking about versatility and efficiency. So because Listing Optimizer uses Rufus AI and what it's looking for in the listing, all of these things you'll notice are talking about exactly the points that came up when we searched on Rufus. What are the key criteria for an Instapot? And can you recommend me 3 Instapots? The reason this is important is because this Rufus AI listing now will now show up in those search results when someone says, hey, what Instapot should I buy? Rufus looks at this listing. It goes, okay, this one hits the criteria. It's got all the benefits and features that the shopper wants. I'm going to show it to that customer. That's how you win the game. That's how you get ahead on Amazon in this new AI first era of optimization. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.